Hey y'all, what's up? I went to Rainbow and bought some jeans for y'all because I wanted to see if Rainbow had some good jeans there. So when I went there, actually I went to the one out Towson in Baltimore, Maryland. When I went there, Towson Mall, I went there and I saw that they had a whole lot of jeans. So I was like, okay. And then I also went to the Owens Mills one. So shout out to Owens Mills, guys. My girl is in there, and she hooks me up every time I come in Rainbow. She know this face, honey. So anyway, I want to get into the video. But I went on and I purchased like, I think like 4 pair of jeans, and I got also like a pair of jeans with the, I forgot the name of it. Suspenders. Anyway, y'all see it. Anyway, I went and got some jeans from there, and they were like dirt cheap, y'all. So also because they had the back to school thing, I didn't have to do any taxes on it. So shout out to Rainbow, y'all. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna get started with the haul. It's like I said, it's 4 pair of jeans, and it's like a pair of jeans that come up, you know, with the little straps and all that. I forgot what they call, suspenders or something. I don't know, but it's something, you know, y'all see it. Anyway, all right, stay tuned for the haul, y'all. I'm excited because it's hard for me to find some jeans. Also, with the jeans, I am a size 14 in jeans, and they do have some stretch to them. So, yeah, they 14, size 14s. So that's still plus size. 14 to 24 is plus, on up is plus size. I would say plus size. Okay, anyway, stay tuned for the video, y'all. This is a size 14 right here. 14 at the bottom. Okay, so I thought that these jeans was really nice. Form fitting. I have still room in here with these jeans. I think these jeans is really cute. I love the way that it, from the side, let me show you how it conforms me up in here. I really do like that. They have belt buckles. Of course, you have pockets that you can put your hands in there. You have 2 pockets on the side, and let me see if I can move back. And it comes with a zipper, and it has 1, 2, 3 buttons right here. The belt buckles are really big. I really like that. Usually I get jeans that's like maybe a size too big for me, but I was like, you know what, bump that. I'm tired of keep on buying jeans that is too big for me and they be sagging down in here. But I think that these are really nice and form fitting. They have a lot of good stretch to them. And let's see, you see, you still have good stretch to these jeans right here. And I went on and paired it with this shirt, this tie-up shirt that I also got from Rainbow. It has all different types of stripes in it, and I got this off the clearance rack. And how much is this shirt? Let me look in the mirror. This was a $3 shirt right here. I think this shirt is really nice and cool that I got from Rainbow, also out the Owens Mills area. So yes, the little ruffles on the side of the shirt. I think this is really cute. So this was $3, and the jeans were $7. They were originally $22.99, but I got them for $7, and also they didn't charge me any tax. So this is the first pair. They are straight legs at the bottom. Okay guys, so here is the next pair of jeans that I got from there, and let's pull this off. This is the same thing, but these are high-rise jeans also. They're push-up denim, and these are the wax jean collection, and this is on here like this. These are a size 14. Let me find the tag. Yes, they are a size 14. So let's go ahead and get into them. These have more of like a stone wash type of light, is lighter on this side of the pants and the front, and also has like the little stone wash creases right here. It has a little distress right here on the side. The pockets do work in these, and it has a 1 zipper in the front. These are size 14, like I said. They have pockets in the back right here, and it has some little, you know, whatever they have up here. They are really nice and form-fitting, really chic. They don't feel tight or anything because I have a lot of stretch still in them. Still a lot of stretch. I probably could have went for a size 12, but I think 14 would be my size. I like the way it kind of like cuffs you up a little bit. Actually, you know, I don't think I could be putting my pants on right. But yeah, so it has a nice little cuff. And these right here are not as long at the bottom. They are skinny legs at the bottom, but they come really short. So these were $7 also. I went on and paired it with this jacket right here, a little nice sheer see-through jacket. This jacket was actually $5, and it's from the Ups and Downs collection. This is an extra large in this jacket right here, and it's like it's coming off red on camera, but it's actually like a burgundy color. So you can zip it all the way up if you want to, but of course I would have it down. Give me some air because we're not at fall yet, we're still at summer. So yeah, okay guys, so here is the next pair of jeans, and of course these are from the Wax Jean collection. Also, they are high-rise jeans, and these, if you can see from the first two pair, these are darker than the other pairs that I just tried on for you guys. They do have some stone wash in it, but I love the darker color ones as well. It has also stone wash like up in the behind area, and also it cuffs you up this area, so it's not like you have bulkiness or room up there. You have your pockets in the back and as well as in the front. Now these jeans also, they have like the short leg situation going on. They're not like they're all the way down at all. This do have like a little distress on the side right here, like the lighter color ones had, so I like them. These are actually like the last ones I just tried on, so I thought that these were really cute because the color were different. Okay, so I paired it with another shirt that I got from Rainbow. It's like a jacket also that I got from Rainbow. Y'all, I'm fall ready. You hear me? Damn it, I'm fall ready. So I paired it with this jacket right here. I think this jacket is really nice and really cute. And it zippins up, zippins down. Of course, no pockets or anything like that. This shirt, let's see how much this shirt was. This shirt was $3 on the clearance rack. $3. And of course the pants were $7. All these pants were $7. And of course I did not pay any tax, y'all. So yes. These are very form fitting. Very form fitting. And of course I have room in these as well. I can bend and I can stretch and all of that in these jeans. Y'all, you can't beat this. Okay guys, so this is the next pair of jeans, and they are dark colored, but they also has distress up in here. They have distress up in the knee area. These are really, really cute, really form fitting. Let's see. These are from the Original Quality Wax Jeans, basic denim, and you can get them like if you can't get them at Rainbow, you can get them at waxjean.com. And these are size 14 as well. The color is dark. So I got these also from Rainbow. It has a button up here, which is a lot of room up in there for me. I don't know if these are really like high-waisted. They feel like they could be on me. They are very nice and form-fitting. The pockets right there work in the back as well as in the front. Something is killing me on the side. Oh, this little tag right here. So these were these are size 14 and they were $7 as well. Now let's get into this shirt. This shirt is a very stylish shirt. I paired it with this because I really like this shirt. After you could do like a little tie up if you want to, but I like it down where as though it's one button that's just showing this right here, and also of course the cleavage area. So this shirt, sorry about that, also has like, you can take this button loose right here and you can wear it like further down, but I like the fact that the button is up. It's really cute. All these beautiful colors give me like Versace type, you know, type look, y'all, you know, glam like. But it has like the cheetah prints and all of that in there, flowers, and you know, it's just really, really overall beautiful. So actually the pants were $7, and this shirt right here was $7 as well. This shirt is in a size large, and it's very stretchy. If you can see, very stretchy. Really nice from off of the clearance rack. In the back, it has like the little rounded cut shape and a little slit like up on the side. I like it. I really think that it's really, really put together, really nice. These jeans though, y'all, these jeans, I have not worn jeans in like years like that. Usually I'm a legging girl, but I'm trying to be more of a jean girl. Maybe because I've been getting them so damn big that it didn't like kind of like flattered me or made me feel like it flattered me. But I think that I really look nice in jeans. I really love these pair. That's why I say them for last. These are my favorite pair. Up in here they are loose enough with though, because when I buy my pants, usually, you know, they kind of cut up in here. I don't like to have camel time in no jeans, y'all. I'm sorry, I just don't like it. But no, I'm not sorry. I don't like jeans cutting my stuff up, looking like camel time. I don't like that. So this is what they look like in the back. Of course, my butt look flat in them, but it's my butt. Okay, so I'm gonna go here on, and the next one I'm gonna try on is going to be this jumper right here, and it has like the little suspenders or whatever in it. Let's see, what is this? This is skinny overalls, y'all. Overalls. So it's super stretchy denim for a super sexy fit. It's called Almost Famous denim, and this is what this looks like. And this is in a size 16 right here. So I'm excited about trying this 16 on. So this is what I'm about to try on. Okay, give me just a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so this one is the overalls that I had. I'm hoping that you can see it really good, because sometimes black don't show up all that good. It gives you nice stretch right here. It has a pocket right, 2 pockets in the side, and I mean in the back, and no pockets on the side. But if you can look, it has a zipper on the side, and it has a button on the inside of it. And this is not zipping all the way up. These are size 16. I'm glad I got a 16 because I don't know. So the overall, which become is on, and actually you can wear it off the shoulder if you want to, like down there if you want to. It depends on how you want to wear it, you know. But I just took that off, just take it off. It's really nice and stretchy. These are size 16, and I'm glad I didn't get a 14. I'm glad I got a 16 because I think that it would have been too small. So they go all the way down to the leg, and they are skinny legs at the bottom. I really like it. I know that this black is not really showing up all that good, so I'm going to try to move closer so you can see it. Of course, y'all know there is our love stuff right there. Yes, honey. Anyway, so I like these overalls right here. I think that they're really nice, really stretchy. I got some good stretch in them. They are really, really nice, really, really cute, really put together. Okay, and I never had a pair of overalls except for when I was a kid. Okay, so what I did was just put on this great big necklace because I wanted to show it to you guys. So that's the reason why. Look how huge this necklace is. Look how beautiful it is. Do you see this? And I didn't put the clasp in it because I wanted to be able to pull it off easy for you guys so you can be able to see. This is a really, really nice medallion that they have over here. Of course I would wear this with something else. I wouldn't wear it with this, but I wanted to be able to not forget it. So that's the reason why I put it on my neck, that way you can see it, and it glistens. This is not even picking it up. Let's show it closer so you can see. Really, really nice put together. Okay, so that came with these earrings right here. And this set was $7.99. I think it was well worth it. Shout out to my girls on Owens Mills. She liked that accent. She was like, yeah, it is nice. So I got it also because she said it was nice too. I didn't want to be by myself. And then I also had got these earrings right here. And one pair I have on today. But these are the earrings that it came with, and these were $3.99 for these. Okay, now the shirt that I have on with this is just a regular old black shirt that I just do. I don't even know what to put on with this, guys, so I just do that on. But of course, eventually I will know what to put on. But with my overalls, I went and got these from the Dollar Tree, and I want actually the Dollar Tree or the Family Dollar, one of them, but I think it's from the Family Dollar for $2, and I want to put these on my overalls, so that's the reason why I got them. And they say customize your stuff with these awesome patches. They are patches. And these are iron-ons right here. You have the eyes, you have a cheek, and you have some lips. So overall, I want to be able to use these probably to patch my, my overalls, because that's how I want them. Okay, baby, so that ends my rainbow haul, and I hope that you enjoyed the haul. Like I said, y'all, it's very affordable at Rainbow. That's why I shop at Rainbow. I love Rainbow. Do you understand what I'm saying? I love Rainbow. Rainbow is my go-to store. I shop like crazy at Rainbows. That's the reason why I don't have no damn room in this place now for these clothes, because, oh yeah, also my robe came from Rainbow. Usually this is one that you will wear like over top of clothes or whatever, but this is what I use. Because I didn't have my size to wear over top of my clothes, I went on and chose to wear this as a robe. And it's see-through, very see-through, so when you get butt naked, honey, it's on and popping. Okay, but anyway, this ends my haul, y'all. I don't have anything else for you guys right now as a Rainbow, as far as the jeans. I have other clothing that I did buy from Rainbow. Owens Mills, y'all, and Towson. I'm telling you, Tyson Mall and Owens Mills is the place to be, okay? For the summer, winter, spring, fall, anytime, whenever time. Get your stuff at Rainbow. Very affordable. You ain't got to spend hundreds of bucks unless you spend $100 worth for clothes at Rainbow. And I'm going to tell you, if you do, you will get a whole lot of damn clothes, y'all. But anyway, that includes my haul, so I done said that about 3 damn times, didn't I? So, but anyway, y'all know, like J Baby always says, before I said that, let me know that that shirt, because I'm really feeling some kind of way about the shirt that I had, the little Versace looking one. Do y'all like that shirt on me? Because I really like the shirt. Do you think I should pair it with a pair of jeans or whatever? But I really like that outfit. Let me know about that one. And also, let me know if you were going to buy Rainbow jeans, because Rainbow jeans is very affordable, very stretchy, y'all. I'm telling you, you can get your life on with them. So anyway, here we go. You know, like J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.